Do you know what separates ordinary people from extraordinary ones? It's not luck, it's not money, it's not even talent. It's the ability to break their comfort zone. Every success story you have heard, from Elon Musk to Jeff Bezos to Warren Buffett, started when they dared to step out of comfort and enter the zone of growth. Today, in the episode 3, I'll share 3 simple but powerful steps that will help you break your comfort zone, backed with examples of the world's richest men. So stay till the end because these steps can literally change your life. So, moving on, step number 1. This is embrace fear instead of avoiding it. Most people run away from fear. They avoid challenges, avoid risks, and stay where it feels safe. But the richest men in history did the exact opposite. You can take Elon Musk for example. When he sold PayPal and became millionaire, he could have easily retired and lived a comfortable life. But what did he do? He invested almost all his money into Tesla and SpaceX company that everyone thought would fail. People laughed at him, called him crazy, and he even faced bankruptcy. But Musk embraced that fear and used it as a fuel. Today, Tesla is worth trillions and SpaceX is rewriting the future of space travel. The lesson is there. Fear is not your enemy, it's your compass. If something scares you, that's exactly where you should go because that's where growth lives. So the step 2, take small, consistent steps outside your comfort. Breaking your comfort zone doesn't mean you have to take a giant leap every day. Sometimes it's about small, uncomfortable steps that build your momentum. Look at Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in the world. In his early life, Buffett was extremely shy and terrified of public speaking. He knew this weakness would limit his success. So what did he do? He forced himself to take a public speaking course under Dale Carnegie. Day by day, he improved. Those small, uncomfortable steps turned him into a confident speaker and leader. And today, people pay millions just to have lunch with him. The truth is, comfort grows when you shrink fear daily. Push yourself 1% beyond your limits every day. And soon you'll look back and realize how far you have come. So step number 3, surround yourself with growth-minded people. If you stay around people who complain, who play safe, and who fear risks, you'll also stay stuck. But when you surround yourself with people who challenge you, who inspire you, and push you, your comfort zone automatically breaks. Think of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, in the 1990s, leaving a high-paying Wall Street job to sell books online looked like the dumbest idea ever. But Bezos had mentors, risk-takers, and visionaries around him who encouraged him to go beyond the safe path. Today, Amazon is not just a bookstore, it's one of the biggest companies in the world, and Bezos became one of the richest men alive. The takeaway: if you want to grow, upgrade your circle, surround yourself with people who think bigger than you. The energy will force you to expand your limit. So let's recap. Step number 1, embrace fear, don't avoid it. Step number 2, take small, uncomfortable steps every single day. Step number 3, surround yourself with growth-minded people. Remember, comfort feels safe, but it keeps you small. Growth feels scary, but it makes you powerful. Musk, Buffett, and Bezos had stayed in their comfort zones. They would just be ordinary men living ordinary lives. Instead, they broke the chain and built empires. Now it's your turn. Ask yourself, what's one thing you're avoiding because it feels uncomfortable? That's where you break through lies. Break your comfort zone today, and one day the world will know your name. If this inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this push, and subscribe for more powerful content. This is Hustle and Rise, reminding you success begins where comfort ends.